Hey guys, it's Urban Gardener, and I just made up a nice new batch of canna oil. When you have a nice new batch of canna oil, there's only one thing to do, and that's make some treats. So what I'm going to attempt to make here is some Brookies or some Crownies, depending on what you want to call them. But basically, it will be a cannabis brownie topped with a chocolate chip cookie. Now, doesn't that sound delicious? It's been a while since Herb's been in the kitchen, so I wanted to make something special. Alright, so we've got the chocolate chip cookie dough all mixed up. Now all I gotta do is get the brownie mix mixed up. So this is what's gonna have the canna oil in it. And I just need 2 tablespoons of water, this nice 1/4 cup of canna oil here, and 1 egg. Okay, so I have my cupcake wrappers in my muffin tin. That way they're easy to go. It's always nice to have something to travel with. I have the brownie mix all made up, so I'll put the brownie mix in first. Alright, so I've got the brownie mix poured. Now all I gotta do is put in the cookie mix. Alright, I've got the oven set over here to 375. Let's put these babies in the oven. Okay, they just need to cook for about 15 to 18 minutes. Okay, here we go. We've got the done product. Call it a Crownie, call it a Brookie, I don't care. I just call them amazing, and they're gonna help me keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.